Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small with CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about how a trust actually helps you avoid probate. Before I do that though, I want to remind you, if you have a question about this or anything else, if you need estate planning or probate help, if you just want to chat, you can do that with me for free by going to estatemeeting.com. Click that link and you can set up a time to talk to me over the phone or in person. estatemeeting.com. Okay, so this is a question I got today. I was talking to a potential client. They actually have to set the table a little bit. By the way, if you are wondering, if you're a frequent watcher of the show, why my background looks bad, and the people walking by, we are moving offices. So right now I am in the paralegal's office, and soon we won't have this office either. So we are transitioning. I needed a place to record. This was the lucky spot. But today I was having a conversation with a potential client, and she has a testamentary trust already created, which basically means she has a will, and inside of the will it says, when I die, I want to create a trust. I explained to her that that's good. It's better than nothing, but there's a problem because you're still going to have to go through probate to move your assets into the trust. Then I got us into a discussion about pulling the trust out, creating a standalone trust, and about how that actually helps you prevent probate. Okay, so if you are one that is against probate, if you just don't like it, if you have property, real estate in multiple states, that's going to be the biggest one probably for thinking about this when it comes to avoiding probate, and you just want to avoid the hassle, then a trust can do it, but it cannot be inside of the will. So if you were talking to someone and they mentioned testamentary trust, tell them no, 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 no. All right? So the way that a testament, so let's talk about how probate works real quick, and then it'll all come together about why you want to have a trust. Probate is essentially, at its core, the process of transferring one person's property to another person. So if I die and I give my house to you, probate is the process that allows someone to take my property and give it to you. Okay, that's what it is. There's some other things that go inside of there that are sort of part of the process, but at the sort of bare bones, that's what you do. A trust can help you avoid probate because the way that a trust works is it's a box. The box does not go away when you die. If the trust is the thing that owns your stuff, then there is no need to transfer ownership from that thing back to that thing, because the trust always holds the property. There's no need to change ownership because the trust is already holding the property. That's why the need for probate is eliminated. What happens is you simply have another manager of the trust, also known as a trustee, step into place and then follow the rules that have been created inside of the trust. If the trust says to distribute the property to someone else, then you just do that. If the trust says to hold the property and only distribute it under certain circumstances, then that's what you do. Whatever the case, you do not need to go through probate because there's no need to transfer the property from the person that died anywhere else. The trust is already the holder of the property. Okay, hopefully that made sense. That is sort of the basics about how you can avoid probate with a trust. One important note though, by the way, if you've been listening this long, congratulations, you're going to get the ninja tip of the day. You have to make sure that the trust actually holds your property if you want to avoid probate. So many people will go and create a trust and then they won't update their beneficiary designations to point their accounts of the trust, or they won't retitle their real estate in the name of the trust, or they won't go and add as an account holder the trust on their things. If you don't do that, then technically when you die, you still own the property. So if it's supposed to go to the trust, you're going to have to go through probate. All right. Hopefully that helps. If you like this video, please hit the like button if there is one. If you have a question or comment, please leave it. If you are listening to the podcast or somewhere else and there's a subscribe option, please do that if you don't want to miss any future videos or episodes or information. And as always, if you want to talk with me more, if you have specific help, you can always go to estatemeeting.com. You can set up a time to talk with me over the phone, in person, for free. Estatemeeting.com. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for your time. I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. I will talk to you again.